In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed cell data inside support tickets in Zendesk. By the end, your support agents will see helpful sales context, like deals, leads, and contact information, right alongside each ticket so they can respond faster and more effectively. We'll start inside Zendesk Support's Admin Center. From there, head to the Apps section and open the Marketplace. This is where you'll find officially supported add-ons that extend support without custom coding, which keeps setup simple and reliable. Use the search bar to look up the Cell app for support. Make sure you select the official app. This is the connector that brings relevant cell records into the support interface, so agents don't have to switch tabs or hunt down data. Choose Install, and then walk through the configuration panel that appears. Here, decide exactly which cell data you want visible to agents, such as deal stages, lead details, and key contact fields. Keep the scope focused on what helps with troubleshooting and customer conversations. You can tailor visibility so only the most useful fields show up, keeping the sidebar clean and easy to scan. Before you finish, confirm that your Zendesk cell and support accounts are connected and that agents have the proper access rights. Agents who need to see cell data must have valid access to cell, and their permissions should align with the data you chose to display. This ensures that sensitive information stays protected while still being available to the right people. Once installation and configuration are complete, open any ticket in support. Look to the app panel on the side of the ticket. You'll see the cell section appear. Give it a moment to load, and you should see relevant deal, lead, or contact details tied to the requester. This context helps agents understand purchase history, active opportunities, and ownership at a glance. If the panel looks empty, refresh the ticket and verify that the requester matches a contact in cell and that the agent has the appropriate access. Small tweaks to your display settings may be needed if you don't immediately see the fields you expect. After saving any setting changes, reload the ticket to apply them. That's it. With the Cell app in place, your team gets the information they need in one view, reducing back and forth and improving response quality. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more connected workflow between your sales and support teams.